everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those that don't know me, my name is Jasmine, and for those that do, welcome back. So today I wanted to post and share with you a mystery box unboxing. So I recently bought a mystery box off of Super Great for the brand Cara Beauty. So I've never tried Cara Beauty before, and they were having I guess a promotion where you could trade in some super coins to get $10 off. So I decided to get the $25 mystery box. So the value is apparently $50. All in all, I did actually end up paying $25 Canadian. But anyway, let's jump right in and see what I got. I've never tried this brand. I've seen it in like Marshalls and Winners, which is like the TJ Maxx equivalent for those in the US. But let's see what I got. So it says trending babes only, Cara Babe. So I guess that's what I'll put. So first impressions, this is everything I got. It looks a little sparse, but let's see. So the first thing is these Sip Hooray 3D false mink lashes. So here they are. They do look very dramatic, maybe a little bit too dramatic for me. I find big lashes like that actually kind of overpower my almond kind of eyes. So we will see. They are animal testing free and vegan as well. So they are Leaping Bunny certified as well because I see the bunny. So here's the lashes. I'll give them a try, or maybe I won't. I have so many pairs of lashes. The next thing I got is these Professional Brushes K12. So I actually don't know what this K12 one looks like. It looks like it could be like a powder brush maybe, or a highlighter brush. It does look very nice though in professional. So I got this brush. Okay, the next thing, I got another brush. So this is a K18 blending brush. It looks like the same as the other one. Does look nice, so I think I could use this for my eyeshadow. I do love trying new brush brands, so these do look like they're pretty good quality, so I got this brush. And then the next thing I got is this well, everything of course is Cara Beauty, but this lip crayon in Hometown. So it's kind of, might actually look really good, I think, with the gloss I'm wearing right now, which is Dose of Colors. I'm not huge on lip crayons, to be honest. I feel like it's very hard to get precise with them, and they're kind of a thing of the past, maybe. So I knew I was getting a lip product. I thought maybe it would be a liquid lip or a lip gloss, so I am a little disappointed that it is just this lip crayon. So maybe I will like put it in a giveaway or give it to someone. The next thing I got is this brow lift. So it says super hold, multi-use, non-sticky, 100% vegan. So it's an eyebrow setting glue. It says also you can use it for baby hairs as well, which I think I actually would like to use it for that more than my eyebrows. Your girl got some edges, so you know, that edge control, or if I have my hair like how it is today with like a slick back bun, I think I would like that. So I do like how it is multi-use for brows or your hair. So this was the next thing I got, and it is in clear, so that's good. Okay, I have two things left. So this next thing is a matte liquid liner in matte black. So the packaging does look nice. It looks like it's, you know, silver and sleek, and it says perfectly line and define your eyes. It's quick drying and it's waterproof. So there it is. And the last thing I got is a little palette. I knew I was getting a palette. In all honesty, I thought it maybe would be a little bit bigger. It looks like a nice palette, but it kind of actually looks like, I don't want to open this up. It's called the Lost in Oasis palette. So let's open this up and take a look. I've never tried their shadows, but I've seen kind of their larger palettes. So here it is. It is a 5-pan palette, and this is like very cool toned. I don't know if you can see, Maybe a little bit too cool toned for me. I actually prefer a little bit of a darker, I wouldn't say darker, but warmer shades, actually. That's the word I'm looking for. So, I don't know. I'll see if I can make that palette work. It might be good for like a cool toned makeup look, but yeah, that was the palette I got. So that was everything I got in my mystery box. I would probably say, in all honesty, pass. Nothing actually really excited me about this. I think these are like some okay products, but they're not anything that, you know, I don't think they're very expensive products. You can get Care Beauty products for a very affordable price point. So I was thinking for $50 value, I was going to get, you know, some better items, I think. This almost seems like items that they were looking to clear out, especially the palette. Like, I thought it was going to be at least like, I don't know, an 8-pan palette, but it's this little 5-pan. The other items, I don't know if they'll really fit, so I might sell this, I might give it away. I'm a little disappointed, to be honest, and that's the chance I guess you take with a mystery box. But I thought it would be better. I watched like some of the hauls on Super Great. They looked a lot better too, so I'm a little sad actually about my beauty box. I think they're on their website too. You can try it out if you want, but I don't know how pleased you're gonna be. I guess it's how many items? I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 items for $25. So all in all, they were about less than $4 a product. So I guess that's not too bad, but still, I don't know. I'm like torn. I only paid $2.99 for shipping too. It did take a while to get here though, I will say that. And the shipping was a little bit confusing. But that was everything I got in my Cara Beauty mystery box. I would like to know, did you find any of these products interesting? Have you tried Cara Beauty before? And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, too, if you're not subscribing, hit the button down below. That's going to help you stay up to date with my channel. But I thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day or night whenever you're watching.